Did he just break us off? Try to break.
Coming left to right. There's some on the ground. Kill him! Kill him!
Oh my god, that bird's down on the left. He's done, his wing's done.
I'll get him, Steve. I'll get him. Here. Belly up there. Here. Here. Heel. Sit. Here. Here. No. Sit. No. Back. Any more out to the left? Get in, boys. There's more birds up front. Come on, Scout. Here. Scout, here. Scout, here. Come on, hurry up. Green bird.
Kill him!
One to the left.
I didn't even see birds to the left. I took those out off getting off the ground.
Huh?
I took the ones getting off the ground.
I didn't even know there was on there on the ground.
I'm pretty sure I shot both. I shot at both of them.
Kill him!
Oh yeah, big log, guys. Make sure your heads are down, guys. There's a big bunch right behind.
Now they're all hot. I can't see.
I didn't shoot one.
Here's one coming out front. All right.
I couldn't. I was kind of shooting at the trees, or through the trees.
Here, here.
Oh, coming too fast.
Here. Here. Kennel. Here you go. Here, kennel.
Who didn't get that bird?
I can't believe he's got still going.
How's that bird?
That shot in the ass, Dad.
He's hurt. Watch him.
I didn't shoot into him.
He's going down. There he
Yeah,
goes.
he's
Boom.
dead
He
too.
flipped.
No, he's
Hard,
dead.
hard.
He's dead.
Let's go.
Is he all the way on the other end of the tree?
No, he made it before the. Oh boy.
Come on, fetch him up. Here.
Got a hawk that picks up birds. Look at that little hawk
Here,
one right
here.
out.
Here.
Look at that. Look at
It
that.
is too.
Holy
It is.
shit.
That hawk's on it.
His belly up out there.
I don't understand why you didn't get him.
He was. I mean, I made like a direct path right at him.
Yeah, I know.
Clean. There, he's pecking at the back though. There's a bunch of feathers out there. Oh, right here he was. Unless that was whatever, but that's he's ripping it apart right there. Ooh, it's leaking.
Kill him.
Did I crush that?
I didn't see even what
I had no clue.
I had no clue was birds there.
Look at the feathers.
Pillow! I just looked at the ground.
Crush that.
Let's go.
Oh. Yeah, that tall grass.
That's all grass.
Use your nose on that one, you dummy. Use your nose on that one. Oh, that's a big one. No, stop.